Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Mix Flip to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select whatever you want to. Then tap on your device's displays and finally hit send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit input key section, type in all of those numbers and choose receive button. To scan the QR code though, use the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!